Today we are going to learn how to perform general physical examination, a crucial skill for understanding patients' overall health and identifying any warning sign requiring further investigation. We will follow systematic approach: inspection, palpation, percussion, and auscultation, ensuring no important details are missing. To perform general physical examination, you will need the following items: stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, pulse oximeter, magnifying glass, wooden spatula, a pen light, otoscope, gloves, and accept. First step: establish rapport. Start by greeting patient warmly and professionally. Introduce yourself and ask for their permission to proceed. You could approach it by saying, "Good morning, I'm Dr. Faris, an obstetrician gynecologist. I will be conducting your general examination today. May I proceed?" Handshake is more than greeting. It can also provide clinical insights. Cold or sweaty hand may suggest anxiety. Hot or sweaty hand could be sign of hyperthyroidism. Other issues may also be reflected through the hands. Second step: observe general appearance. Start by looking at the patient while maintaining eye contact. Pay attention to their body language. Do they seem nervous or weak? Do they look healthy or sick? Look for clear signs like difficult to breathe, obesity, and unusual skin changes. Third step: begin the examination. Start by checking hands. Ask your patient, "Please show me your hand." Right? Inspect hand for pale skin, may indicate anemia or poor circulation. Clapping of fingers associated with chronic lung and heart disease. Shaking could suggest conditions such as hyperthyroidism, Parkinson's disease, and anxiety. Now, there is no pale skin, no clapping of finger, and no shaking observed. Next, we will inspect mouth and tongue for any abnormalities. Use a pen light and wooden spatula. Ask your patient, "Please open your mouth and extend your tongue," and inspect it for unusual changes such as discoloration or lesions. Now we will examine the eyes to assist it for any abnormalities. Gently lift the patient's upper eyelid and ask them to follow your finger. Please follow my finger and look for sign of infection like the redness or conjunctivitis. Then we will check the lower eyelid. Use your fourth thumb to press up lower eyelid and look for belly conjunctiva. Next, we will examine the ears by using otoscope to inspect ear canal and ear drum. Checking for redness, redness. Also, you have to check any blockage or swelling. Now, we will check or we will examine the face. Look for any swelling, length, or unusual skin changes for face. Also, compare both sides of the face for symmetry. Now, we will examine lymph nodes. Use your fingertips gently. Use your fingertips gently. Feel forward. Gently feel any lump, swelling, or tenderness in the neck area. After that, we have to assess neurological system by using reflex hammer. Gently tap tendons like the knee or elbow. Look, I will gently tap this area to see how the body responds. If a nervous system is working properly, you will see quick automatic movement. If there is no any movement or weak or strong reflex, there is a neurological issue. Then we will examine an edema. Gently press the lower leg near the shin bone. Press and release the pressure. Check if there is mass remaining there. If the mass stays, that may indicate there is edema. Now we will examine the abdomen. Lay down, please. Okay, lay down. Inspect for swelling or any visible abnormalities. Then palpate and look for facial appearance. Percussion, and then auscultation by using a stethoscope. Listen pulse sound. It can provide us insights into GI health. Next, we will proceed to measure vital sign. Since we have already learned how to do, I need to each student to measure vital sign. Right? Sit patient. Also. That's 6. Dabei have 6. Negative. Okay, 95%. Pulse rate also 75. Blood pressure. Blood pressure. Come on. Do I measure blood pressure? Okay. After measurement of vital sign, documentation is very important. So write down any abnormal finding. Did you understand, guys? Everything is clear, yes?
Yes, sir.
Or any question? Okay.